Amazing to see that all captured on camera. Well, here's another pretty amazing shot. This is Tacoma, where you can see some stormy weather. It rolled through earlier today. Still some pretty ominous clouds out there, Adam.
Yeah, there are. Pretty dark. It's pretty low, too, at the same time. Now, there's not a lot of thunderstorm activity left here for the time being across western Washington. The line we're going to keep an eye out for is going to be right up here. The northwestern slopes of the Cascades could see another storm or two fire up. And we're concerned because of that, or because of possibility of maybe that sparking up a flame or two here or there. But most of the thunderstorm activity out of here, we had some of that roll through earlier this morning. You can see all the strikes that are still out there, most of them out over the ocean. Where we're noticing maybe a few sprinkles out here closer to the coast, extreme north coast. Those storms now heading up closer to Vancouver, and then you go farther south, and then you can see maybe a few sprinkles here as well. But a lot of this has headed through parts of the San Juan Islands, and as they have moved north, a lot of that activity as far as the lightning has continued to diminish, so not as many as there were farther to the south. To count it right now, none over here across western Washington, but we still got 74 strikes out there, and again, we could see a few more pop up as we go later on into the evening. We still have that broad area of low pressure helping to generate the instability that we need to produce some of those storms. Noticing more of that across the northeastern part of Oregon, and then seeing quite a bit of the rain over Idaho, where they desperately need it with some of the fires going on over that way, and that's included with some of the monsoonal flow that they're having over there. Red flag warning still out now here across the western slopes of the Olympics. That will end tonight at 11 p.m. Farther east you go, that's going to head into early tomorrow morning. And then the farther east you go there across eastern Washington, east of the Cascades. We can see that all the way into tomorrow afternoon. Dry lightning again, where we have those thunderstorms without the rain. Some of those winds with the thunderstorms could be gusty at times, helping to fan anything that does spark up pretty quickly. Now, we were concerned because check it out. The showers and storms that came through earlier didn't really produce a lot of rain at all. Quileute got up to about 1/4 of an inch, and then also around that mark around Oak Harbor. Elsewhere, less than 1/10 of an inch. So not much rain really associated with these storms, or at least out of those gauges. School net side right now in Auburn, a lot of cloudy skies, and we didn't get a lot of sun, or at least yet, to help produce any additional instability. La Push, same thing here. We had some storms move on through, and it's been cloudy for most of the day. Seeing some clouds beginning to break apart here in Paulsboro right now, but again, a lot of the shower activity for the most part, it's going to be done for us here into the evening. 67 cooler this afternoon with a south wind coming in right now at 9 miles per hour. 70 in Bremerton, 71 in Renton, low to mid 60s around Tacoma to Olympia. So on into the evening, what we expect, those showers and storms, if they are going to fire up here across the northwestern slopes of the Cascades and probably more across the northeastern slopes, we'll have the better opportunity across the eastern side of the state. Elsewhere, we'll start to clear on out here as we go into the night, and then for early tomorrow, starting off at about 10 a.m., you can see plenty of sunshine around, a few passing clouds, and we should stay relatively sunny as we go throughout the day. A pretty nice forecast here for a long stretch, too, on into the end of the week and to start off next week. Tonight's lows, we drop down between those low to mid 50s, and then tomorrow's highs, they do bounce back to a certain degree, back up to 79, 81 on Friday. Saturday, a few showers could be around with a weak system moving through there, and then staying around the upper 70s and lower 80s through Tuesday, a bit warmer by next Wednesday.